Om Sairam. Once again, thank you all devotees for joining this Mahaparayan group. I request you all to kindly observe the messages with little care or listen to this audio with little attention as we are explaining the system of Mahaparayana and what we have to do. Basically, Mahaparayana is reading the Sai Satcharitra within a specified period like in 7 days, 51 days or 1 year. Our Mahaparayana system is devised in such a way that all devotees complete 108 Parayan and thus 2 times the entire Satcharitra in 1 year. We believe that the group Parayan to our lovely Baba will produce a kind of positive vibration which will be manifold, and Baba will surely listen to all our prayers. We can see significant changes in our life due to Parayan, but we should be committed to it. Around 3 lakh devotees are participating in the Mahaparayan globally, and we too, part of this great movement, should feel blessed. Many devotees have already felt huge changes and happy surprises in their life. All devotees are required to read 2 chapters on every Thursday. By doing so, 48 devotees in this class combine together and they will complete a Parayan of the entire Satcharitra book 2 times on every Thursday. These 2 chapters will be allocated to all devotees based on the roll number which was already posted. Hence, we request all devotees to note down your roll number or remember the same. The chapter allocation list will be posted in the class generally on Tuesdays. After completing the reading, all devotees are requested to report in the group in a format which will be posted below this video. However, you can report in your own way, but your name, roll number and chapters which you have read should be mentioned correctly. We provide Satcharitra in PDF form also in languages like English, Hindi, Telugu, Kannada, Tamil, Malayalam, Marathi and Gujarati. However, this Sai Satcharitra book is available in 16 different languages, and if you want any other languages, please contact us and we can provide you the same. We further request all the devotees to read and report in the class before 7 p.m. in the evening. In case if you expect any delay, kindly inform the class teacher. Further, if any devotee cannot read on any Thursday, please inform the class teacher in advance so that they can arrange for a volunteer to read on your behalf. However, our humble request is kindly do not miss the Parayan because the completion of class group will be disturbed and you will also not complete the 108 Parayan in 1 year. There is one common question among the women devotees whether they can do Parayan during the menses period. They can do with PDF, and yes, there is no restriction for it. So, this is the great opportunity given Baba to read chapters for him, and we should never miss it. We have another request too. Kindly treat this group like a temple and maintain silence and discipline. Kindly avoid posting any messages, forwards, even if it is Baba's pictures or videos. Your posting should not disturb others in the class. Also, this will make the devotees to lose focus and could miss any important announcements made by the admin members amidst the class details. So every class will have a class teacher who will support the devotees during the Parayan day. Apart from the class teacher, every class will be having a vice principal, principal and dean to provide all kind of support to the devotees. Hence, devotees can message any of these admin members for any clarification with regard to Mahaparayan. Once again, we wholeheartedly welcome you all to this great moment of Mahaparayana. Jai Sai Ram.